Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service offered by Amazon that allows businesses to sell their products on Amazon's platform while Amazon handles the storage, packing, shipping, and customer service for those products. This service is beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses as it eliminates the need for them to manage their own warehouses, shipping, and customer service, allowing them to focus on growing their business. With FBA, sellers can also take advantage of Amazon's Prime program, which offers free 2-day shipping to Prime members, increasing the visibility and sales potential of their products. Overall, Amazon FBA provides a convenient and scalable solution for businesses looking to sell their products online. 1. Research and choose a profitable niche. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Use tools like Amazon's Best Sellers list, Google Trends, and niche-specific forums to gather insights. 2. Register for an Amazon seller account. Go to the Amazon Seller Central website and sign up for a professional seller account. This will cost you $39.99 per month, but you'll get access to more features and benefits. 3. Set up your Amazon FBA account. Once you have a seller account, create an Amazon FBA account by following the prompts. You'll need to provide your business information, bank details, and shipping address. 4. Prepare your products. Make sure your products meet Amazon's quality standards and packaging requirements. Label them correctly, include all necessary information, and pack them securely for shipping. 5. Ship your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Use Amazon's shipping partner or your preferred carrier to send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Follow the instructions provided by Amazon to avoid any delays or issues. 6. Set up pricing and inventory management. Use Amazon's Seller Central tools to set up pricing, track inventory levels, and manage your product listings. Use repricing software to automatically adjust prices based on market conditions. 7. Promote your products. Use Amazon's advertising tools, social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels to promote your products and attract customers. Use keywords, product descriptions, and images that are optimized for search engine optimization, SEO. 8. Monitor your sales and feedback. Keep track of your sales, feedback, and inventory levels using Amazon's Seller Central dashboard. Address any negative feedback promptly and professionally to maintain a high rating on Amazon FBA. 9. Manage taxes and financial reporting. Understand the tax implications of selling on Amazon FBA, including sales tax, VAT, and income tax. Use accounting software to manage your finances and generate financial reports for tax purposes. 10. Scale your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line, improving your processes, and hiring staff to help you manage the workload. Keep learning about Amazon FBA best practices and strategies to stay ahead of the competition.